How does it feel to get slapped by a family member? My mom used to slap me until I turned 17. It was something she did often. She was my teacher in 8th grade, and since she couldn't discipline the other students, I was the one she took her anger out on. Strangely enough, I don't recall her ever laying a hand on my younger brother, just me. She did it in public to humiliate me. She slapped me at family gatherings and in front of my peers. It was a constant threat. First, she would say, "Brooke, I will slap you." That got everyone's attention. If I tried to deflect or avoid it, she would call my father. If your mother wants to slap you, you let her slap you. You're just a kid. She once tried to slap me for feeding my cat. She had ordered me to my room to do homework, but if I didn't feed my cat, he wouldn't eat. She hated my cat. I went ahead and fed him. When I came inside, she tried to slap me. I grabbed her wrist and just stared at her. That night, my father was at a meeting, so it was just the two of us. She just stared back. She never tried again. The whole point of slapping is to humiliate the victim. Sure, it hurt. It stung like hell for an hour or so, especially when an expert like her knows how to do it. But the main intent was to establish dominance.